Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your investment with Windermere Real Estate, full guide step by step clearly. First, begin by understanding the importance of protecting your investment in real estate. Research your local real estate market thoroughly to assess trends in property values. Identify your investment goals, whether for rental income, appreciation, or personal use. Consult with a Windermere real estate agent who has expertise in your area. Discuss your investment strategy with them to gain insights. Ensure proper property inspection is conducted before making any purchase. Evaluate the condition of the property, checking for any potential issues. Consider getting a professional appraisal to determine accurate market value. Once you acquire the property, maintain regular upkeep to protect its value. Establish a strong relationship with reliable contractors for repairs and renovations. Regularly review your property's insurance coverage to ensure it meets current needs. Consider additional coverage options, like flood or earthquake insurance, for extra protection. Stay informed about local and state regulations that may affect your property. Network with other real estate investors to share knowledge and resources. Join local investment groups or forums dedicated to real estate discussions. Utilize Windermere Real Estate's tools and resources for market analysis. Track your property's performance against your initial investment goals periodically. Adjust your strategy as needed based on market changes or personal circumstances. If renting the property, ensure thorough tenant screening to minimize risks. Engage a property manager if you prefer hands-off involvement. Establish clear lease agreements to protect your investment rights. Keep detailed records of all transactions, repairs, and maintenance activities. Prepare for market fluctuations by maintaining a financial reserve for unexpected expenses. Always stay updated on evolving market trends and economic indicators. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different property types or locations. Collaborate with financial advisors to ensure your investment aligns with your overall financial plan. Regularly assess your investment performance and adjust your approach as necessary. Lastly, trust the expertise of Windermere Real Estate to guide you through every step of your investment journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.